Facebook.
It's like the hottest thing out right now.
How would you like to own a piece of it?
This will be one of the hottest IPOs in the history of the world.
But getting that stock might be harder than you think. Stay with us.
CW33 News at 9. We'll be right back.
Are you itching to own a piece of Facebook? The social media powerhouse has filed paperwork for an initial public offering. Now all the T's are being crossed and the I's dotted before its stock can be sold. But will regular users of the site even be able to buy it at an affordable price? CW33's Giselle Phelps is here to explain. Giselle.
Yeah, Amanda, when Facebook stock goes public on the open market, local experts tell me shares will likely sell between $80 and $100 each. The IPO price will be much lower, but they can be tricky to get. With some 800 million users, we all know how hot Facebook is.
Putting all that money in the club.
Well, now some young investors are hoping it will soon heat up their portfolios.
Definitely, we're going to get in on the Facebook IPO. It's like the hottest thing out right now.
Demetrius, Ken, and Ron are all part of a local investment club called Buy Low. They've got 20 members, mostly in their 30s.
Yes, I would definitely say we have a younger group of investors.
We meet once a month, and of course we analyze, we buy some stocks, we sell some, and typically we'll make a purchase of, say, 10 or 15 shares of a product, depending on what the price share is.
The group is hoping to buy some Facebook stock at the IPO price.
If not, we'll look at the performance of the stock after the IPO, and we'll decide if we want to purchase it at that time.
Directors and officers.
But financial experts say it won't be easy.
Normal Joe like you and I, we're not going to see it. No way.
The experts at Hodges Capital say IPO shares will go to big-time players in the stock market, like hedge funds and pension plans.
This will be one of the hottest IPOs in the history of the world.
But the investment group has gotten in on other recent IPOs for online gaming giant Zynga and retailer Michael Kors.
They got in on Zynga, then that's a good sign. They may. Both those stocks have done well, and Zynga's kind of tied in with Facebook.
Hodges says Facebook is bound to attract a new generation of investors.
Our strategy has always been to invest in things that we know and understand.
And you definitely know and understand Facebook, right?
Yes.
We all know and understand Facebook, I think. Now, Clark Hodges thinks the Facebook IPO is exciting for the overall stock market, and it will likely give similar stocks a boost. He says it will likely start trading on the open market by mid-April. In the studio, Giselle Phelps.